Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. Welcome back to our MATLAB series also. Today we are diving into something super important, basic syntax and your first hands-on experience with MATLAB. Whether you are totally new to coding or just new to MATLAB, don't worry. This is a great place to start. Let's open up MATLAB and type our very first few lines of coding together. So let's start our class. When we write format command, format bank command and press enter, and again we write the same expression, that is x equal to 2 plus 10 divided by 3 plus 6 to the power 1.5 and press enter, we get the value, that is x equal to 20.3. So 20.3 value is the 2-digit decimal value. So when we used format bank command, we get the 2-digit decimal value, that is 20.3. First we used long format, then we use short format, then we use format bank. From in the long format command we get the 16-digit decimal numbers. Then when we use the short format command, we get the 4-digit decimal value. Today we used the format bank command and we get the 2-digit decimal value. Okay, so this is the format command. Now if we use format short e command, which allow displaying in exponential form with 4 decimal places plus the exponent value. When we write format short e and press enter, then we write 4.678 into 4.9 and press enter. So we get the value, that is 2.2922 into 10 to the power 1. So this will execute the short format e command, which displaying in exponential form with 4 decimal places plus the exponent value. If we use format long e and then press enter, and then we write x equal to pi, here we get the long format value, where we displaying the 16 decimal place with exponent value. So this is the long format e value. This is the exponential value with 16 decimal place, and in previous command we saw the short format long e short format command with e, that means the exponential short value. Okay, so these all are the format command we use in MATLAB software. So that's all for today's class. Okay, hope you understand this topic. Thank you. Thank you. If you like, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.